Google adds an option to instantly delete your last 15 minutes of search history. Also, a new way to protect your search history on shared devices. An option to instantly delete your last 15 minutes of search history. How does that work? That's in your settings, or like, why 15 minutes? Why wouldn't you just turn off your history altogether if you didn't want it? Oh, it's a button. It's a dedicated button if you just want to kill the last 15 minutes of shady behavior. I get it.
Yeah.
I follow it now.
Shady behavior, or maybe you're using someone's phone and you're trying to log in to do something.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Sometimes that happens around here.
Sure.
And you need to just get rid of the last 15
15 minutes, though. It's a weird
number.
Yeah.
Yeah, just delete the last 50. I hear you. Let me see. What does The Verge say? How does The Verge justify this? Okay, hang on. Hold on. Announced on Thursday, the new option was revealed at I/O 2021. On desktop, your options for deleting searches are limited to setting your history to auto-delete every 318 or 36 months. Oh, wow. Right now, this is only available in Google's iOS app. That is weird as well. Man, that is so strange. When they experiment with a feature, Google experiments with a feature on iOS before Android. And this is not the first time they've done it. I've seen this in the past. I don't remember if it was Maps or what. But for whatever reason, they want to extract that data first. But then why not just incognito, Will?
That's a good question.
Oh, you know what? Maybe this is not as... Okay, hear me out on this. What if you're just using somebody else's device, and because all these things are very personalized, right? As far as Google is concerned, they're always building this case for this individual. They're always tracking it based on an individual. Like, that device belongs to you, so anything that happens there.
Right.
And so I'm wondering... It's like when somebody gets a hold of your algorithm, like you let someone use your Netflix and it's a disaster.
Yeah, all of a sudden it's completely different.
Your suggestions are all screwed up. So what if, I don't know, man. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just thinking that if all of a sudden I'm researching how to make shish kebabs on your iPad, and then you hate shish kebabs, and you're like, let me get rid of all this crap this dude just did. And you just
can't undo it.
But you don't want to get rid of more of your history because that's like important to you. Will, what do you want me to do here? What do you want me to do in this article?
I just think 15 minutes is such a weird number. How did they come up with that?
You know what the youngsters would say? They say it's sus. That's what they would say. All right. So we'll just leave it at that.
All right.